Hey there, is your Bose Smart Soundbar not performing as expected? Are you struggling with connectivity issues, sound problems, or unresponsive controls? Today we're diving into how to fix your Bose Smart Soundbar by tackling some common issues to ensure you get the premium audio experience you deserve. Whether it's adjusting settings or troubleshooting, we've got you covered. Step 1. Check your connection. One of the first things to do when troubleshooting your Bose Smart Soundbar is to check all the connections. Make sure that all cables, including the HDMI or optical cable, are securely plugged into both your TV and soundbar. If you're using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, ensure your device is paired correctly. Sometimes simply reseating the cables or restarting the connection can solve the issue. Step 2. Update the firmware. Your Bose Smart Soundbar relies on regular software updates to function optimally. To check for updates, use the Bose Music app. Open the app, tap your soundbar, and go to the Settings menu. Select Product Info to see if an update is available. Make sure your soundbar is connected to Wi-Fi for the update process. Keeping your firmware up to date can resolve many bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Reset the soundbar. If you're still experiencing problems, performing a reset might help. To reset your Bose Smart Soundbar, unplug it from the power source for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and give it a moment to reboot. This can resolve issues related to temporary glitches or frozen controls. Step 4. Adjust sound settings. Sometimes audio issues can stem from incorrect sound settings. On your remote, check that the volume is at an appropriate level and not muted. In the Bose Music app, try experimenting with different sound adjustments like bass and treble settings to achieve the desired audio quality. Also, check if the dialogue mode is activated if you're having trouble hearing voices clearly. Step 5. Verify network and Bluetooth settings. If your soundbar struggles with network or Bluetooth connections, ensure that your network is stable and within range. For Wi-Fi, make sure your router isn't overburdened with too many devices. For Bluetooth, ensure that the input source on the soundbar is set to Bluetooth and that your device is paired correctly. Disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth device if needed. Step 6. Contact Bose support. When all else fails, Bose customer support is there to help. Visit Bose's support website or contact them via the Bose Music app. You can describe your issue and they might offer advanced troubleshooting steps or determine if there's a hardware issue that needs professional repair. And there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix your Bose Smart Soundbar, you can troubleshoot common problems, ensuring high-quality audio performance once again. Remember, whether it's checking connections, updating firmware, or adjusting simple settings, your path to pristine sound is just a few steps away. Be sure to keep these tips handy and share them with friends who might need help with their Bose equipment. With a little patience and technical tweaking, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite tunes and shows in no time. Enjoy the sound experience.